This video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the adware, which is called ProgramRecord. This is the adware from the adload family of adware type infections, and these days it attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. ProgramRecord adware may periodically display its quite intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this ProgramRecord adware was installed to your computer, you need to undertake the measures and remove this adware as soon as you can. So, to remove it, check your applications, find this ProgramRecord adware, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. If you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. I also recommend you to examine the system with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start examining your device with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.